Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. Thank you again for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We would love to have you join us. And as always, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. As you can see, we do have a new subscription to unbox, and I'm actually very excited. This is, let me cover up my address, the Heart and Soul. It is a luxury bath, like a handmade natural organic bath subscription. And this is their holiday, this is a December 2018, it's their holiday box. So I'm really excited to see what is in here and what this is all about. This was very kindly sent to me for review and to share with you guys. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. They do have a Cratejoy site. This subscription is $25 a month. And like I said, it is handmade, natural, organic bath and body treatments. It says the box will have products that are for everyone, men, women, children, and those with sensitive skin. It is the perfect gift idea and care package. It is filled with everything needed to pamper yourself from each category: bath bomb, shower bombs, body wash, lip scrub, lip balm, body butter, body cream, sugar scrub, hand soap, soaps. I mean, they have a variety of products. I mean, they do everything. And you will receive 5 to 7 handmade products every month. And it says everything you need for an at-home spa day, and high quality products. It says new exclusive releases every month. And like I said, it is natural, organic bath and body treatments for anti-aging, skin condition, and dry, irritated skin. So we are going to dive in here. Like I said, it is $25 a month. This is their December 2018 box. It is a holiday box. I did go ahead and just cut because it is taped so well that I didn't want to spend, a few minutes here trying to get it open. But how cute is this? Even right here, they have the little candy canes. I thought that was cute. So we open it. And this is a little sheet we will reference. And then this is what it looks like inside. It is slam full, you guys. I see a gingerbread man already, so I'm already like, oh, that's so cute. Okay. So let's see here what this says. This is our holiday box. It says, which consists of a Christmas tree bath bomb with Christmas tree fragrance, snowflake bath bomb with snowdrop fragrance, a gingerbread man bath bomb, a 2-ounce gingerbread sugar scrub, a 2-ounce peppermint sugar scrub, 4-ounce whipped cranberry body butter, a 10 ml cranberry lip scrub, peppermint lip balm, and cranberry foaming hand soap. Now this box, this is actually not, I apologize, this is not their normal monthly subscription. This is the holiday box, and it says that this box is $30, but you could get 20% off. And like I said, I will leave a link down below to their Cratejoy site where you can sign up. And let's see. I want to say that the code for you to use is Christmas Sale 2018. So I will put that down below as well. And that would get you 20% off. So you'd actually get this for like $24. So that's even better. But let's take a look. I did obviously kind of tell you everything already that is in here, but let's take a look and see. So this is the whipped cranberry body butter. So that's a really good size. And then here we have this is the cranberry lip scrub right here. And then here we have the, oh, I'm throwing squigglies everywhere. Here we have the cranberry foaming hand soap. So that is awesome. The gingerbread sugar scrub. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. And it does smell just like gingerbread. Oh my goodness. Oh. And then this one, peppermint body butter. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. And then here we have our cute little, oh, he's open. Okay. Our gingerbread man bath bomb. He's so cute. Let's see. Oh, he smells like gingerbread. Oh, okay. And then this is our Christmas tree bath bomb. That is so cute. The snowflake bath bomb. That smells good. And then our last product here is the peppermint lip balm. So we got such a great variety of products. I am super excited. I mean, we have lip balm, lip scrub, bath bombs, hand soap, body butters, sugar scrubs. I mean, it's just such a great variety. I think this box is awesome. And I love, obviously, the holiday theme and everything. That's so great. So let me know down below what you guys thought of this box. And I will, like I said, make sure to put the link to the Crate Joy site and that coupon code down below if you would like to purchase and sign up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you again so much for taking the time to watch. And I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.